Happy Diwali. This is a festival of lights celebrated across India. And what better day to start than this to get the messages of light and love? We are going to take out one oracle card every day from Course in Miracles card deck, and either the light workers work your light deck or starseed's oracle card deck. It does not matter when you come across these messages. These messages are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across these messages, they are meant for you. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. So let's get the messages. The first card from the Course in Miracles card deck is I am entrusted with the gifts of God. And the message is you can wait, delay, paralyze yourself or reduce your creativity almost to nothing, but you cannot abolish it. So essentially the message is to use the gifts, the creativity within you. And let's see what is the message from Work Your Light Oracle Cards deck. Share your voice. Come out of the cave. Persecution. Expression. So the message is you're being called to share your voice, perhaps by speaking up in a relationship or through writing, singing, speaking, or some other form of creative expression. We each hold a truth deep within us that longs to be expressed. Sculpted for lifetimes, the voice of your soul is like no other. It carries with it wisdom that can only be gained through soul history and growth. By remembering, tapping into, and expressing this unique tone, we not only heal ourselves, we also heal the planet at large. When you share your voice, you unlock something in the universe and call a missing piece of your home. Your individual voice is the most powerful sound current on the planet. If you have kept your soul's voice silenced or held back, chanting or singing could be true life-changing for you. As we shed the layers of our personality and start letting our own unique soul speak through us, we discover that we actually have a very clear message that longs to be shared. The more we speak it, the clearer it gets. There has never been a better time in history than right now to rise up, speak your truth, and share your soul's voice. If you feel fearful, know that you are not alone, and the world needs your unique tone in order to harmonize. As we each rise up and share our song, we make it easier for the next person to do the same. Express yourself, share your voice, speak to those who can hear you. Such a beautiful message. Today's message through both the cards is express your gifts, share your voice, express your creativity in whatever way you have to share it. And there was a message similar to this which I had shared last year on my son's birthday, and literally hundreds and hundreds of people reached out to me on LinkedIn when I shared it, and on Facebook. And I had expressed this, that when something from the depth of your soul wants to be expressed, then you need to express it at the risk of being vulnerable. Because whatever something deeply personal can also be universal at the same time. And if you think that you are finding it difficult to express, maybe your throat chakra is blocked and you need to work on cleansing your throat chakra. And you can do singing, chanting, and express your voice. So whatever gifts you have, each one of us has unique gifts and unique voice of our soul that needs to be expressed. So that is today's message. Have a great day and lots of love to you.